In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Chicken Jockey in Grow a Garden in Roblox. Now, this is actually a part of the new update that is going to come very soon. So let me actually show you what I'm talking about. Now, if I just pull this up over here, which is actually the official site inside Roblox for the Grow a Garden game, it says new content is coming and it's a chicken zombie or a chicken jockey. So over here, it says description: once a humble farmer, now a zombified troublemaker with a feathered ride. This chaotic duo is ready to tear through gardens. And then it says explore and unlock a new chicken zombie pet, seeds, gear, features, and so much more in this new Grow a Garden update. So this is how the chicken jockey is going to look like. Basically, it's a chicken zombie. So as you were able to hear by the description, it's going to be a bit funny. So it's honestly, I think it's going to be one of the funniest pets in the game as of right now. And yeah, when the new update comes out, I do believe it's going to be on Saturday. Yes, it is Saturday, May 7th at 4 p.m. At my current time right now, which is EST. And yeah, make sure you tune in for the update, and that is where you're going to be able to get yourself a chicken jockey. Now, I do believe this is going to be basically one of the rarer pets that will come with the new event, but as of right now, you can't get it. You just can, of course, prepare by growing up your garden, because likely you will need a bunch of different stuff to actually be able to unlock it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.